Hey, beautiful people. I'm so excited to talk about another superfood today. Kale. You know, when it comes to getting those greens in, kale is like the superhero of the veggie world. It's packed with so many good-for-you nutrients that I just can't wait to share all about it. So if you're ready to learn how to make kale a delicious staple in your meals, let's dive right in. Okay, let's talk about why kale is such a superstar. This leafy green is absolutely loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, like, we're talking off-the-charts levels here. And that's not all, it's also packed with fiber and antioxidants. You know how we're always looking for foods that give us the most bang for our buck? Well, kale is definitely one of those foods. But here's something you might not know. Kale is also a natural detoxifier. It helps our bodies get rid of stuff we don't need. And get this, it's amazing for your heart health too. Now let's dive into some of the awesome health benefits of kale. First up, it's a superstar at reducing inflammation in our bodies. You know how sometimes we feel a bit puffy or achy? Kale can help with that. It's also great for our digestion. All that fiber keeps things moving smoothly, if you know what I mean. And here's something I love. Kale is amazing for our bones. It's packed with calcium and vitamin K, which are like the dynamic duo for strong bones. But wait, there's more. Kale is super low in calories but high in fiber, which means it keeps us feeling full for longer. So if you're looking to manage your weight in a healthy way, kale can be your new best friend. Alright, beautiful people, let's talk about how to actually eat this superfood. I know some of you might be thinking, but kale tastes so kale-y. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some super simple ideas. First up, smoothies. I know it sounds weird, but trust me on this one. Just blend some kale with your favorite fruits like bananas or berries. Another super easy way is to make a simple kale salad. Just massage some kale leaves with a bit of olive oil, squeeze some lemon juice, and sprinkle some seeds on top. It's so good, and you'll feel like a health goddess eating it. Oh, and have you tried kale chips? They're crispy, salty, and so addictive, in the best way possible. Just toss some kale with a bit of olive oil and salt, then bake until crispy. It's the perfect healthy snack for movie nights. Let's dive into kale smoothies and salads because they're such game changers. For smoothies, my go-to combo is kale, banana, mango, and a splash of plant-based milk. It's creamy, sweet, and so refreshing. If you're new to green smoothies, start with just a small handful of kale and gradually increase it. Now, for salads, here's a pro tip. Massage your kale. I know it sounds funny, but hear me out. Try this. Massage your kale, then add some sliced avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. It's a flavor explosion, and your body will thank you for all those nutrients. Okay, beautiful people, are you ready to take your kale game to the next level? Let's talk about cooking with kale. Another fantastic way to use kale is in stir-fries. It's quick, easy, and so versatile. Here's a super simple idea. Sauté some kale with garlic and ginger, then add your favorite protein and some cooked quinoa. Finish it off with a splash of soy sauce or balsamic vinegar. It's a complete meal that's packed with plant-based goodness. Now that we've covered so many ways to enjoy kale, I want to leave you with a few specific recipes to try. How about a creamy kale and white bean soup, or a kale and sweet potato Buddha bowl? These are some of my go-to meals that are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be complicated or boring. With a little creativity, kale can be the star of so many amazing dishes. Well, beautiful people, we've come to the end of our kale journey. I hope this video has inspired you to give kale a try or to experiment with new ways of enjoying it. Until next time, keep nourishing your body with all that plant-based goodness.